Here's the greater vestibular gland. This portion right here we call the labia majora, labia minora. Obviously the anus, fimbriae, which is all this red structure. We call it fimbriae. The ovaries is the yellow portion, and then the bladder, which is this structure right here. This is the bladder. This is the bladder. This is the ureter, rectum, sigmoid colon, and then the one with the ridges. This is the vagina, and then the cervix is this portion where the vagina and the uterus meet. So this is the uterus. The urethral orifice is the opening from the bladder. The urethra is just, this portion. The lumen of bladder is where you have all these little squigglies. The clitoris, where you can't really see it. The clitoris is right here, the really small structure. Pubic bone is right here. The endometrium, that is a layer in the uterus. So this would be the endometrium, the portion that comes out. This right here, the outside portion, is the perimetrium, and then this portion right here would be the myometrium. The fallopian tube is this one right here, the one attached to the fimbriae. We would call it the fallopian tube. The one attached to the ovaries is the ovarian ligament, and the one attached right here on the top of the uterus is called the uterine ligament. And those are all right here as well. So the uterine ligament, the fallopian tube, and then the ovarian ligament. And then this white portion right here, this very broad structure, we just call it the broad ligament. Holds the female reproductive organs in place, so they don't come out or whatever. And then the descending aorta, iliac artery, inferior vena cava, iliac vein. This right here is a ureter. This one going all the way up to the kidney. That's a ureter. Well, actually, it'll go down to the bladder. And then the pubic symphysis. What else? Oh, and the fundus of the uterus. So if he points and asks you what's this top structure portion, you would say fundus of the uterus. But if he asks you what layer is this, don't forget you'll say perimetrium. Okay? And same stuff on here. Same exact stuff. Just opposite direction. That's all.